Welcome to Infinity Capital, everyone. My name is Raj. Today we are going to analyze Coromandel International. It's a fertilizer and crop protection chemicals. It's an agri-chemical company. So let's dive right in. So Coromandel is an Indian corporation. It was founded in the 60s, by Chevron, EID Perry. So these were the companies that formed Coromandel. The company was formed in 1961. Okay, the parent company is Murugappa Group, EID Perry. EID Perry is the company which holds a major stake in this company. So, what does Coromandel do? So, they make it's a fertilizers. They make phosphatic fertilizers, crop protection products, specialty nutrients like sulfur, pesticides, water soluble fertilizers, micronutrients, organic fertilizers. So, basically, anything and everything that has to do with farming, agrochemicals, these are the products that they make. So, um, this is the overview of the company. Let's do a little deep dive into other things. So, market cap is around 25,000 crores. It's a mid cap company, and we'll do a quick check on their um, shareholding pattern. So promoter holds 57%, mutual funds hold around 15%, FII around 8%, others around 5.6, and there's only around 14-15% of shares to be traded regularly. So that is pretty good. I like this kind of shareholding pattern wherein most, like majority of the shares is either with FII, DII or with promoters. Interesting thing to see is from the past 3-4 months the FII holdings have gone up. Since last year FII holdings have doubled, and if you see, the holdings have been going up significantly. DIM mutual fund holdings are pretty much stable. FII holdings have gone up. So this is an encouraging sign. You quickly go to screener and check their cash flow. Amazing cash flows, 4,000 crores from operating activity. So very good numbers. They've minimized their debt significantly. The debt has gone down by almost 70-80%. If you see, since the past so many years, they were carrying a debt of around 2,000, 700, 2,800, 3,000 crores. So since 2020, they've been minimizing their debt, and I'm guessing pretty soon they'll be a debt-free company. They have around 214 crores of investments, around 700 crores of cash on their balance sheet. So this looks very good. The balance sheet, from a brief overview, looks very good, very strong. So these are the kind of companies that I like to look at. Now let's analyze the sales. So if you'll notice, the sales were pretty much stuck, between 2014 and 18 in this range. However, they managed to increase their profit margins, and that resulted in sort of rising profits. What has happened in the past 4 to 5 years? Sales have risen almost 40%, margins have gone up by almost 40%, and the profits have almost gone up by 300%. So this is very good. Sales have almost doubled, profits have doubled since 2019. So COVID has not really affected this business. Okay, guys, and we have entered a seasonal month. So usually, you know, farmers start buying fertilizers and whatever other agrochemicals that they need during pre-monsoon. So this is a seasonal month for them. So in the next quarter we can expect higher sales as well for most agrochemical companies. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, so March sales were down, as well as the profits were also down. However, if we look on a year-on-year basis, you know the profits are up around 25-28%. Let's do a quick check on the PE valuation front. So the median PE is around 19, and the stock is trading at around 18.4. So it's trading at its median PE. And if you notice that since last year, last year EPS was 32.25, and this year's EPS is 45. So the earnings have gone up, but the stock has pretty much not gone anywhere. So we can expect a good 25-30% move from here on. On the technical front, what do we have? So if you see, the stock was basically trading pretty much in this range, then it broke out, you know. So since last July, the stock has been in this range. This is pretty much the range. It's 18-19%. It's a very tight range. Another reason for the stock to trade in this range is because, you know, there's not enough share outside with the public, you know, to trade. So that sort of that is a good thing. So what do we have here? What sort of trading opportunity we have? The stock has been pretty much going sideways for the past 1 year, and we have been seeing, you know, that the company is posting regular profits quarter on quarter. So I am expecting that, you know, we can see a good 25-30% move in this stock from here on. So my buying range has been in this area. This is the area that I would like to buy in, and I would be expecting a 25 20 to 25% upside at least in this stock. Since this has been consolidating for a very long period of time, we can expect a good up move from here. And plus we are entering a seasonal month, as you know, for agrochemical companies, so we can expect good upside from here. From the on the left we have the moving averages. So if you see, the 50-day moving average was just going sideways, and the 200-day moving average, the price went down for some time, but then it pushed up very hard, pushed up, and now it's consolidating here. So this is the area where I'll be looking to buy the stock in. My guess is this should consolidate in this region for a bit and then start moving upwards. Okay guys, so quick disclaimer, this is not a buy sell recommendation. This video is for educational purposes only. So please consult your financial advisor before buying or selling any stocks. Thanks a lot guys.